Hello everyone and welcome to another Guide Product Shorts video. I'm Tom, I'm a Senior Product Manager here at CybSafe, and today we're discussing behavior goals, which are our easy, cheap way to get hold of some data about how people are behaving in your organization. So without further ado, let's jump in and take a look. So behavior goals are a set of questions that you can assign out to your users, and we'll ask a question such as backing up data. So if I go into this, a user gets given a statement. So valuable workplace data should be backed up regularly. I use a combination of offline and online backups. In the last 12 months, I've backed up important work data using cloud and or removable storage. And so this is gathering whether a user agrees with this statement. Do they always do this? Have they sometimes done this, or have they never done this? And this way we capture some subjective data about how people are behaving in the organization. It's a really fast, cheap way to do it, and also encourages naturally people to improve and get better. So when you are looking for more objective data, you can always try out one of our Respond packages with behavior data integrations that can get a much more objective view of what people are doing. So once someone answers this question, so in this case I'm going to put often, they can then submit their answer. If for any reason they feel like, they're not sure about this right now and actually want to come back to it later, they can actually click to send a reminder, and you can put in a date and time and a reminder via Google Outlook and email. And Google and Outlook will just add in an appointment into their calendar. Once you've submitted the answer, you'll then get a response with a score associated with the answer. Valuable workplace data should be backed up regularly. Why is it important? Now, if you haven't clicked always, if you clicked there's an opportunity to improve, then you'll get next steps. And we ask people to carry out some next steps, and then actually register when they've completed them. And this will slightly boost their score as well. So you can see here, I get slightly more points by completing these next steps. Once complete, then the goal will be valid for a period of time which you decide, 3 to 12 months, and the data will then feed into our behavior data reports elsewhere in CybSafe. Goals can be assigned to people just like a module, or they can be sent out via Slack and Teams too. Do check out our other product short videos on how to do that. So once someone has completed all their goals, you've got a whole choice of a library to choose from. So we have over 70 CybSafe goals aligned to our security behaviors database, but we also have the opportunity to create custom goals, which can do so by going to Guide and go to Goals, and there you can then create your new goal here and follow the steps to create it. And it's as simple as that. Just start enabling them for users, and getting some data coming back into your reports, both on the goals side but also on the behavior side. Check out our other product short videos to find out more about how to use the goals reports. Thanks for watching.